My wife and I created our Fansly account 82 days ago. Now we are among the top 1.12% of all Fansly creators worldwide and have earned over $2,000. We have no social media following whatsoever. We only promoted our account on the Fansly website itself. And in this 5-part video series, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do exactly the same. And with this being said, I'm the summary guy, and this is the second part of how to make bank on Fansly. Because all episodes build on each other, you definitely want to watch part 1 first. Because in the previous episode we have categorized and renamed your already existing video files, and we have created a folder library which looks similar to this one. There is one folder for each day containing 2 subfolders named 1 and 2. In each subfolder there is either a happy solo or happy couple video with a length of at least 3 to 4 minutes, and there's also an Eve custom video in it named bonus. In addition, we have created 2 types of preview videos, an uncensored clear one for your subscribers and a blurred one for your followers. This is what your folder library should look like by now. But before we can upload our folder library to Fansly, we have to make a few adjustments and prepare our account first. Start by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right hand corner and go to your Creator dashboard. Now choose Vault. The Vault is where you can find all your media files which you have ever uploaded to Fansly. And the website allows us to recreate our folder library online. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. Click on the little plus icon and name the folder 1.1. Create another one and name it 1.2. Your third folder is called 2.1, then 2.2, 3.1, 3.2, and so on until you have created exactly the same folders as on your computer. Also create one more folder and name it follower reward. Now go ahead and open folder number 1 of day 1 on your computer and select all 4 files in it. The full version of your PPV video, the preview video, the blurred preview video, and your bonus video. In your browser, go to the vault of your Fansly profile. Now either drag and drop all 4 files onto the upload area or click on the little plus icon and select the files in the pop-up window and hit upload. After your video files have been uploaded successfully, you select all 4 of them. Click on Actions and choose Add Selected to Album. Select your folder 1.1 and you're done. Now you just have to repeat those steps until all the videos from your library are successfully uploaded and stored in the correct folder in the vault of your Fansly account. Let me show you why this step is crucial for your success on Fansly. In order to schedule your content, you can upload your videos either from your computer or from the Fansly Vault. A video of, let's say, 5 minutes in length has an approximate size of 200 bytes, and it takes around 8 minutes to be uploaded to Fansly depending on your internet connection. Believe me that you do not want to wait 10 minutes twice every day just to send out your PPV mass messages. Also, if you decide to go with our solution, all of your content will be in perfect order right from the beginning. Let me show you now how much time you will save each time you schedule one of your PPV messages by comparing both ways. Let's see how long it takes when we upload the content for one of our PPV messages by clicking here. So we select the full version of our video and our bonus video first and click Open. Then we click on Add Free Preview, choose Upload New once more and select our 10 seconds preview video. We set up our media permissions, which we will talk about in detail in our last episode, by the way, and finally we hit Upload. Okay, now let's speed this up a little bit. And while our files are uploading, let me show you how long it takes when you have already uploaded your folder library in advance. So this time we click on From Vault. We access our folder library and choose our full version and our preview video first. We click on Add Free Preview and again choose From Vault this time. We select our preview video, set up our media permissions and hit Upload. And after pasting the PPV caption for this message, we click on Send. And we're done. This is the huge advantage of having a folder library accessible on Fansly instead of uploading it from your computer. It's just so much faster. And that's it. 20 seconds compared to almost 6.5 minutes when you decide to upload your content from your computer instead of simply selecting it from the vault. And because you're not only scheduling PPV mass messages, but also messages that work as reminders, promo posts, etc., you definitely want to make sure to minimize your upload times as much as possible. Let me show you what happened with our stats since I published the first video of the series. As you can see, the number of likes increased to 55.8k and our follower count grew to 6,100. In the last 30 days, we have earned a little over $1,300, which translates to us being now among the top 0.92% of all creators on Fansly and a golden instead of a silver ribbon. I know that the strategy my wife and I use on our Fansly might be tedious and requires a lot of work, especially in the beginning. But looking at our numbers, I guess it's quite clear now that you will be successful when you decide to use our strategy on your Fansly as well. For example, do you remember that in the last episode I mentioned that it's quite cool to have $20 or $30 more every other day? Well, it's even cooler to have these amounts in our bank every day now. For now, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, stay busy until we meet again, and in case you are an adult content creator as well, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the next video, we're going through all important settings of your Fansly profile in order to make it as appealing as possible. Also, we're going to set up a whole bunch of automated welcome messages. So stay tuned and until next time.